I'm going to show you how you can unleash the power and safeguard your data with cell protection. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to View, and then we're going to click Protect Sheet. Now, as you see here, we can select locked cells and select unlocked cells, and we want to protect the worksheet and contents of locked cells. And we're going to put in a password in this protect sheet. And for this example, we're just going to put test. We're going to hit OK, then re-input the same password and click OK. Please note, if you ever forget this password, you will not be able to unlock your sheet or the cells you have ended up locking. Now, what I'm going to do is we're also going to select Protect Workbook, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the same password and hit OK. And as you see, if I go and type in here, says I can't do it, the sheet is protected, and so on. Now I'm going to hit Unprotect Sheet, and here we'll just put in the password of test. Now you see if I change Mexico, Mexico is now changed. So if I hit Control Z to take that back, and what we're going to do is we're going to select everything, and then we're going to just select where our data resides. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit Control 1. Now it's going to bring up this Format Cells window, and we're going to select Protection. And here we're going to untick Locked. We want everyone to be able to edit every other cell except those in this little table. And once we're done with that, we'll click OK. And then I'm going to hit Protect Sheet. And then we're going to type test again. I'm going to type test once again. And now, as you see here, I can't edit this, but if I type in here, I can now add content into the cells that I need to as well. And that is how you can safeguard your data with cell protection.